So hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is TBND. So today we are going to discuss about the capacitors. So capacitors of class 11. Okay, of class 11. So 1 minute. So this is the of the class 11th we were discussing. Class 11th. Okay, so this is the class 11th. So first, what is capacitor? So you have to know what is capacitors. So simply, capacitors means it stores electric energy or electrical charge. So capacitors means, so I am writing here. So capacitors means stores electrical energy, stores electrical energy or a electrical charge so that is will called as capacitors. Okay, this is the definitions, a small definitions for the capacitors. Again, capacitors means capacitor stores electrical energy or electrical charge is called capacitors. Okay, so what is capacitance? We have to note that what is capacitance. So what is capacitance? Capacitance means capacitance. So for what is capacitance? So this was the ability of a conductor to hold store electrical energy, store electrical charge or electrical energy also we can tell. Okay, this is called capacitance. So what is capacitance formula? So capacitance की formula C equal to Q by V. So this is the capacitance की formula. C equal to Q by V. C equals to Q by V. So what is capacitance? Ability of a conductor hold or store electrical energy. So this we will call as capacitance. This we can call it as capacitance. Okay, simple, clear. So what is the unit of capacitance? For the, so we can write here that okay, so for the unit of capacitance, so for the unit of capacitance, so this was the C, so that is C equals to Q by V. This is the formula, and C equals to V, and that is equals to farad. That is equals to farad. So farad equals to 1 coulomb by 1 volt. 1 coulomb by 1 volt, that is called farad. 1 coulomb by 1 volt, this we can call it as farad. Okay, clear. So farad is a very large unit. So 1 farad is very large unit. 1 farad is a very large unit. So very large unit का मतलब earth सा conductor चाहिए हमको. Earth सा big conductor we have to get. So this was the earth. Earth सी बड़ा. So this was the earth. and this was the conductor. This was the conductor. This was the conductor. इतना बड़ा सा फैरेड, ठीक है. So what is the common unit? So what is the common unit? So common unit का मतलब like SI unit होती है. This is the common unit for this. So 1 farad equals to SI unit. So 1 farad is SI unit. Okay, 1 farad is SI unit. So for the common unit, so common unit microfarad, nanofarad, picofarad, microfarad, nanofarad. So for the microfarad is 10 power 6, for the nanofarad 10 power minus 9, for the pico, so that is 10 power minus 12. So this here you can write, so this is micro, like to short for microfarad, so this is nanofarad, and this is picofarad. Okay, so one thing we have to know, that note. So this note is very important. So note, I am writing here note. So C does not depends on Q and V. C does not depends on Q and V. So what is the formula for the capacitance? C equals to Q by V. So but C does not depends the Q and V. Okay, C does not depends the Q and V. Why? So because Q depends on the, so because C depends on the so C depends on the shape and size of conductor, of configuration of plates. Okay, configuration of plates. This is, so C depends on the shape and size of the conductors, configuration of plates. Okay, clear? And one more thing you have to know, that second point in this first point, what? Shape and size depends on the conductor and configuration of the plates. So medium and dielectric should be used. This is the, okay, this is the. So next we are going to discuss about the capacitance of a spherical conductor or a capacity. So listen, capacitance heading, this was the heading, keep the heading. Capacitance of a spherical conductors, or capacitors, we can call it as capacitors. This is the heading. So listen here. Okay, so here this was the circle. Clear? Wait, this was the circle, and here it will be both plus charge, around the circle, plus charge. So here the radius होते हैं, so here the Q charge will be here, and C equals to Q by V, and here C equals to Q by C, so V equals to KQ by R, and C equals to Q by V. So derivation C equals to Q by V. So here V का मतलब, so here Q by V का मतलब KQ by R, ठीक है. So here and C equals to 1 by K by R, so Q की Q cancel होती है, and C equals to 1 by K मतलब क्या होती है, 4 pi epsilon naught R. this is the formula, very important one. This is very important one. Okay, C equals to 4 by epsilon naught. Okay, so this was the capacitance of they are not given isolated, so but we have to write what is isolated. In another lecture we can tell about. So isolated spherical capacitor, isolated of spherical capacitors we could write here. इतना बात क्लियर. एक न्यूमेरिकल करते हैं, ठीक है, एक न्यूमेरिकल. सो okay, so here I am reading the question. So this was very large questions, okay, right? So I am reading just a question. 27 spherical drops of radius 3 mm and carrying 10 power minus 12 coulomb of charge are combined to form a single drop. Find the capacitance and the potential of the bigger drop. So here what is given? 27 spherical drops. So here one circle and up to n number of not n, 27, sorry. Up to 27 is given. So for this, and it was combined to bigger, to combine to a single drop. Here combined to a single drop. So here tak here R. So here the radius equals to R. The bigger one, this is R, and this is Q. Okay, clear? And here also Q, capital Q. So by what? Conservation of energy. So we can do it is conservation of energy, conservation of charge, sorry, not conservation of energy, conservation of charge. So 27 Q equals to 27 Q. So here options are given: 1 microfarad 27 volt, 1 picofarad 27 volt, 5 microfarad 9 volt, 5 picofarad 9 volt. So these are the options. Okay, so how we can find R? So we know the capacitance formula, so that is C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught R. C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught. This is the formula which I was told, where we have done capacitance of a spherical conductor or a capacitors. So this is the formula I was told, C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught R. So that's why I told not by epsilon naught. So this we are do means we will get 4 pi epsilon naught R. So here changes that 4 pi epsilon naught R, 4 pi epsilon naught R. This is the formula. Okay, 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, clear? Okay, so but we have to want R. So we have to want we have to want R. So how we can do? By conservation of volume. By conservation of volume we can do. How? Conservation of volume, how? So 27 in number of, so 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So for the single drop, for the small, 27 times. So here 4 pi get cancelled. So here what we will get? 4 pi get cancelled means, so here 3r we will get 3r. So r equals to 3r. Okay, we got r value. Okay, we here got r value. Okay, so listen here. So again he asked that we got r value. So C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught r. C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught r. So for what is r value? R equals to, we got 3r. R equals to 3r we got. So put it here, substitute here. So C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught, R means 3R, and C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught means 9 into 10 power minus, or 10 power 9, not minus, so 3 into 3, so that so 3 into 3 into 10 power minus 3, so we will get C equals to 1 by 9 into 10 power 9, so that is 9 into 10 power minus 3. So here 9 can get cancelled, 9 get cancelled, so you will get 10 power minus 12 farad. So 10 power minus 12 means 1 pico f. So in this option what is gave? 1 mu of 27 volt, 1 pico farad 27 volt, 5 microfarad 9 volt. So next D, 5 pico farad 9 volt. So already we got, so only 1 picofarad is given, so this is the B option. So again he told to find capacitance and the potential of the bigger drop. So this also we will find potentials of the bigger drop. So for potential of the bigger drop, so this was the bigger drop and this was the bigger drop, and Q equals to 27R, 27Q, sorry, and C equals to 1 picofarad, we got it. So here 1 picofarad that is equals to 27 Q by V, 27 Q by V. So here 1 into 10 power minus 12 picofarad, we can write it as 10 power minus 12. So this we can write it as 27 into 10 power minus 12, so B by V, so by V. Okay, so here so wait, I will write again, this is not sufficient. So here we can write this, I am writing down 1 into 10 power minus 12 and into 27 into 10 power minus 12 by V. So at 10 power minus 12 get cancelled, so 1 into 27 by V, so V goes there and V equals to 27 V. This is the answer we got, so option B is correct. Option B is correct. Picofarad, 1 picofarad and 27 volt. So this is the lecture. So one we have done, what is capacitors we have discussed, and one numerical problem we have did. One problem we have did. Okay, this is the lecture guys. So please subscribe to my channel and like it. So this will be video post on the IIT screen 3. Okay, please subscribe to my channel.